this is Steven again. Today we will be covering something pretty deadly about the medical field. Not to exaggerate, but it really is deadly. Ventricular fibrillation, or some people call it just Vfib. So, Vfib is a deadly disease that causes the ventricular walls to not contract. Contract means to squeeze. So, for example, say this is a healthy heart. It's filling up with blood, and then once it fills up with blood, the ventricular walls squeeze. So they start to constrict or contract. So the reason why this is extremely deadly is because then the body usually gets its full blood through the heart, and the ventricles are the ones that push all the blood out. Specifically, the left ventricle oxygenates the body. So if the left ventricle walls can't contract, then what happens is that the body gets deprived or the lack of oxygen, and so if not reversed through electric shock, the body can die. So here I have a diagram of the electrical conduction system in the heart. Yes, it has its electrical conduction system. Now, if you've seen my normal sinus rhythm video, then you're probably familiar with this. Here I have the SA node and the AV node. The bundle of His is somewhere right here, and the Purkinje fibers are right here. What happens in a normal heart is that you get this smooth signaling to the AV node, except that in a heart that's experiencing Vfib, there's going to be chaotic, erratic signaling throughout the heart. And so this erratic, chaotic signaling causes the ventricular walls to not properly constrict or contract. And then, so the ventricular walls can't contract. And as a result, you'll actually see the ventricular walls spasming. So just picture the heart, except in the lower chambers, there's like a bag of worms in the pericardium, and all of them are just moving around in there. That's what it would look like if this heart was spasming. Now, a person in Vfib, as I've drawn here, is not going to be conscious. So one of the symptoms is that the person is not conscious. And so when we say conscious in the medical field, we mean that you don't really see like anything. You are not aware of your surroundings or the world around you. And so right before they collapse, they might experience symptoms of a heart attack like chest pain, and in another video I will discuss a heart attack and coronary artery disease. But back to the point. And you will even see their skin turn a pale or even blue color. And we call this in medical terms cyanosis. So cyanosis is basically just blueing or paling of the skin. Now, for the Now, there is a couple of diseases that can cause this, and I will discuss two of them. First one is coronary artery disease. Now I will cover this in the next video, but you see, in our heart we have coronary arteries, and when these coronary arteries get clogged for some particular reason, which I will get to in the next video, the heart cell walls get irritated, so they don't want to work properly anymore. And the second one is a heart attack. And so I will cover this in the next video, but you basically have when you recover from a heart attack, there will actually be some sort of scar tissue that replaces it. And this produces it's not very smooth when you try to get in the scab, basically. So, a heart attack and coronary artery disease. Now, if not reversed, this can cause permanent heart and brain damage. Heart and brain damage. And very sadly, death. So just a quick recap: in ventricular fibrillation, due to the electrical signaling of the heart, Vfib causes the ventricular walls to not contract. The two main causes are coronary artery disease and a heart attack. The symptoms are that the person is not conscious, and right before they collapse is chest pain. And when they're not conscious or unconscious, their skin will have cyanosis, or ballooning of the skin. And how it works, there's not smooth signaling, so the Purkinje fibers are basically confused. And if not reversed, it can be very sad for permanent heart and brain damage and death. That is the video for ventricular fibrillation, in fact, a deadly disease. See you in the next video. Please hit that like button and subscribe, please. And so I'll see you in the next video.